Today I'm going to show you how to make this origami pigeon. It's a lot easier than it looks, so just follow me step by step and you should have no problem. All you need is a piece of paper, typical printing paper is fine, and a scissors. I'm going to use a color paper because it's easier to see. First you want to make a square, so with the paper I'm just going to fold it like this. And if I'm going too fast at any point, just pause or rewind or play back at slower speed. Okay. So you fold once, you fold twice, and then you just get a scissors and you just cut across this line. Okay. All right. And it's not going to be one of those disease-ridden, crazy, aggressive New York pigeons. It's going to be a nice pigeon. Okay, this is the first step. Once you have a square paper, hold it like a diamond and just fold it upwards like that. Okay. Second step, fold again to left or the right, like so. Open it back up. Now you should have a folding line in the middle that allows the future steps to be easier. Next step is to fold about 1/3. Take about 1/3 of the line here and just fold it upwards. You don't have to be perfectly precise with this part. So it's like a little boat or a little hat, whatever you want to call it. And just fold that. And we want to turn the paper around. Okay, and you want to take this part and fold downward, and you want to leave a little bit of a gap here. So you don't want to fold it all perfectly at the line, nor do you want to go down too low. Just leave a little bit of a gap here, maybe like a quarter of the width. Alright, just make sure you follow me so far. Next step, you're gonna open this paper up like so. And then you're just gonna tilt the pepper. What am I saying? Tilt the pepper? Pepper? No, it's not a cooking class. Okay. Tilt the drawing. Oh my god. Tilt the origami sideways like this. So that it's, the pointy end, well, they're both pointy, but this side is pointing towards the left side, so that you are being consistent with what I'm doing. Alright, and now you just have to fold up this part downward, like so. So any part, if you're lost, just go back and rewind, play it slower. And then you want to fold this upward like a wing, and you want to fold it at roughly, again, this is not a precise science, you cannot make a mistake, around here somewhere, so it's like almost like midway between this point here and this point here, so like midway if you want to have something to go by. And maybe you can fold a little bit backwards, so this line doesn't have to be perfectly straight. Turn the paper around. Pepper. And do the other side, and you have the wings. And notice there's two sides. There's a smaller side, right? And there's a larger triangle over here. The smaller one is going to be the head. So what you can do, this is probably the most difficult part if you are not familiar with origami. Alright, just watch carefully. You want to pinch the tip, fold this inside, and pinch like that. Okay, I'll do it again. some of you probably like this is too easy. Some of you new to origami, this you know takes a little bit of practice. So just take this part here, pinch down the middle, and fold it like that. And this will be the head. And you're done. This is how you can make an origami pigeon. So now I have two. This one's a little bit fatter, the one on the left. The one on the right is a little bit skinnier. Depends on where you made the wings. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope this is easy enough to follow. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because there'll be a lot more videos coming. Some of them are really crazy, like there's a Yoda one, I can show you how to make a tarantula, and so leave in the comments any questions you have and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!